about to knock that down. Watch your hands.
So y'all know it's a hot day.
Fourth level.
A hot summer day.
5, 4, 3.
Boy, James T, shut up. But y'all know it's a hot summer day. As usual. And we finna just play catch the football.
It's his birthday, so guys, if you see him, give him like licks on his neck.
Nigga, come on, son, stop playing, bro. Y'all know, bro, it's hot out here, bro. I told y'all we were supposed to vlog yesterday, but the cookout got canceled.
How?
I don't know, but I know that we finna leave, and then we gonna have the cookout. I might vlog there.
Where you about to go?
I'm not. We finna go to cookout. Yeah. And there's the police going down the street like he a crazy.
On his phone, speeding like crazy.
Yeah.
And
I know y'all could barely see because the sun.
With a football.
Me, nigga. That's them leaving.
So guys, if you want me to Odell, just like tell me.
Let me set the camera up, please. Stop playing. Jason, I'm finna check you onto the ground, bro, if you don't stop playing. I don't know where I'm gonna set it up at. What should I set it up at?
I don't know. But who baby doll is this?
So, we finna...
Get that.
We finna catch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we finna throw it and catch it. I know y'all... Come on. Y'all don't never see him in my videos because he don't never be here. His daddy only be here.
Cause I be with my mom.
Yeah, he only gonna be here today, right?
Yeah.
And then you leaving later.
No, I'm leaving right now. My mom's gotta get off work and just pick me up.
From here?
No, from my No, we gonna meet her somewhere.
Yeah. Hey, yo, y'all gonna see my aunt again. But if y'all want that PS4 gift card.
I want it! I got a PS4! Where is it?
You can't have it.
Why?
It's for the fans.
You dummy!
You can have the next one I give away. You just gotta look at my videos.
No, I want it right now.
But if I know y'all want that Kawasaki F450, y'all got
just give me the Xbox
y'all could enter. Well, I forgot the comments disabled.
Just give me the PS4 gift
just
card.
Hit me up on IG, Instagram.
Give me the Xbox.
Bro, stop yelling, bro. My vlog, son.
Okay, I just want the PS4.
Okay.
Gift card right now.
I'll give it to you later.
Right now.
Okay. But we'll see y'all whenever we go to the cookout. But I know I will not be vlogging on the weekdays probably. I will vlog on the weekends.
Yeah, cause we got.
And I know later I'm supposed to be riding, so I'm gonna vlog on the GoPro.
You got your own GoPro?
GoPro, yeah, I got a GoPro.
But
I know I might vlog later though on a dirt bike whenever I go get or pick it up from my friend's house.
Well, sorry, man.
You wanna walk around the block?
Do
you wanna walk around the block and go to my friend's house?
Wait. So like,
come on, bro.
wait, I gotta do this. Wait. So if like he come with, wait. So then you come with my house if you bring the camera, cause I'm gonna get my go-kart from my mom's house. My dad's gonna have to fix it. Then we're gonna ride it. Then you just go.
And we're gonna ride the dirt bikes probably.
Yeah. And I'm driving. You just got video.
I'm gonna probably bring the GoPro too.
Gosh, who want me to just throw this on the ground?
That's not ours, so don't spam in the comment section whenever YouTube turn them back on. Oh yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to this video, like, comment, subscribe. I know y'all ain't heard me from me since last year, and now I'm starting off fresh. In the camera, son. We finna walk, okay? Yeah, I know y'all ain't heard from me in a long time.
Yeah, cause it's been sleep.
It ain't been sleep.
You've been kissing his girlfriend?
Yeah, I know, bro. We got 2 Dodge Chargers with the truck here. And I'm probably finna probably walk to my friend's house to go get this damn dirt bike.
Where?
It's all up there. I let him use it. Yes, probably. If he dare, he probably took it trail.
Man.
But yeah.
I know,
y'all stay tuned for the.
I'm riding it. Is it electric or real
gas? But I don't think he got no gas. But I know Then if it do got gas and he ain't taking nowhere, we gonna ride it. Yeah, he gonna ride first.
I'm gonna do a wheelie on it if I could.
It's only if he got gas. Yeah, this nigga better be on.
Where's say at?
He stay right there beside that house, right there. You see that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch out for them wild turkeys.
Huh?
Watch out for them wild turkeys.
You got turkeys?
I don't got no damn turkeys.
Yeah.
No. They just wild. They wild turkeys. They finna get a fine. A $500 fine.
But
Yeah, we walking. See? We walking. And it's hot.
yeah. I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
It don't even look like you home. Yeah.
You got home.
I don't know, just stay tuned because we're gonna be vlogging later. And we're gonna see him.
I'm gonna be with my mom or something.
Your daddy say you ain't leaving till 8.
That's what you said?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
I'm coming to your birthday party.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm leaving at 8.
This Negro ain't home. Hold on. Yeah. So yeah, just stay tuned for like all the YouTube videos. Watch out for that snake though, son.
Where?
You don't gotta. He not even home. Let me see if the bike outside though. The bike not even outside.
It's in the garage.
Yep, not even outside. He's not even home.
Where is the snake?
It was over here last time I came up here to ride with him. Yeah.
If I see
Well,
the snake, I'll take
we
it off.
can't ride the dirt bike. So
If I see that snake, I'm going.
here go James C.
Okay,
Snakes. Y'all
I'm allergic to snakes.
Oh, you allergic to them?
No.
Oh. It's in that house right there. That's what my dirt bike. Y'all know the vibe.
Why'd you take it over there?
Because he wanted to use it.
But you should come bring it back.
He like my brother. Like he get to bring it back like whenever he wants. And y'all know.
There's his sister right there, Snack.
So y'all, you stay tuned because he finna come to my birthday party. It's not gonna be really a birthday party. It's gonna be a birthday party / cookout, really.
I don't know.
But I know
It's not good.
I'm gonna get some money today.
I got money for you. There you go.
Here.
No.
Alright,
Come on, sucker.
I'm getting my phone fixed today, I think. Cause I got an iPhone 7.
Look, for my birthday, I'm getting a phone.
I got an iPhone 7.
Man, I'm gonna get an iPhone 8.
Y'all know the vibes.
I'm gonna get
walking right.
I'm gonna get an iPhone. Whoa, shut up. Shut up. I'm gonna get an iPhone 8 and an iPhone 10.
Y'all know the vibes. I don't know where we finna walk now, cause I'm not finna walk all the way down the street after I just walk right up the street. But y'all know, cars come down the street every day, and y'all know. Like I vlogged yesterday. I vlogged a couple times last year. If y'all saw my videos, like y'all just need to like, comment. Well, y'all can't. Y'all could comment the other videos,
But you can't lie.
you can't like on this video. But you can't comment on this video because the comments are disabled.
For real, why?
I don't know. They disabled. I'm gonna show you the other video. Yesterday we posted video slinging rocks across the street.
Did you hit anybody's house? What's it? That one?
No, I wasn't here. I was at my own house. But y'all know.
Did you hit somebody's house?
Oh. This dude probably went trail ride all the way down there.
Huh.
And I know I'm not paying for the ticket if he gets a ticket. Because the bike don't even got street legal tires on it. It got dirt bike tires. So I'm paying for the ticket. But I know yesterday like the camera and stuff was dark.
Cause guys, we just saw a couple went down the street, and I think he's down the street. If he catch you on
Here, you know that trail?
yeah.
Yeah, right there, that bike trail. I ride down there every day. Not every day, but like.
So like, if he like get pulled over, he's paying for a ticket. His mom's gonna whoop him. He's gonna be grounded. He can't ride the dirt bike anymore.
And he gonna put it right back in the Western, the cross street. But it is a hot day.
For real, I feel like 100 degrees out here.
Like, I'm gonna zoom in.
If any of y'all live in California, it's gonna be hot.
Or
out there.
Africa.
For it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be like 200 degrees
All the
out
people. comment this video.
Wait, all the people that
I'm a
shut up. All the people that's in California, if it's hot, go to the beach because it's a cold water. Because I went to California and we went to the beach and that was a cold water and I did a belly flop in the beach, water. I was cold, feeling like ice cube right now.
And I'm gonna scratch off the card after I get back home. And
yeah, he's gonna give it to me. Not y'all. He's gonna get the other
whoever
one.
subscribe first, gonna get that card.
I'm already getting it. You could give the other one to me. Okay? Okay?
What?
I could get the one you.
You gonna get the $80 card.
Yes. Is it 101? Please get the. Get the 101.
I think it's for $25 gift card.
Get the 101 because it only costs for $100.
And I gotta get cash out.
Just get the 101 because it costs for $100. And I'm trying to buy some V-Bucks. I used to have some. I used to have like.
Bruh.
No, what? I used to have like 1,600 V-Bucks. I used to have 1,600 V-Bucks, but I spent it on a new pickaxe, a new skin,
but y'all wanna go see what the girls doing?
and a new glider.
You wanna go see what the girls doing?
Yeah, and I spent all my V-Bucks on a new glider, new skin, new pickaxe, new color of my gun.
Back in the sun, bro. It's gonna be like
new pickaxe.
But y'all know whenever we get there, like we gonna vlog though, like
real.
Not even playing with you, bro.
If we go to the trampoline park, we gonna do like dodgeball stuff.
Bro. I hope your daddy give you some money because I'm gonna call my granddaddy to see if I can buy his quad. And you go. I think your daddy know my papa. Do your daddy know Sean? He probably do. I don't know. But I know the vibes. Y'all, you know the vibes, right?
Yeah.
Cause every time we come to your house, you remember that time we were shooting the BB gun? Mm-hmm. You know there was never a hole on that pole. The BBs just fall right out.
What?
Yeah, the BBs fell right out. Cause you know that time I was switching the can, the BBs always fell out.
For real?
Yeah, the BBs always fell out. And bro, Nas need to get some brakes, bro.
For real?
He need to get some brakes. What's up, James?
Cause I already flipped on like once.
Wow. I remember I flipped on your bike, son.
Like twice.
Yeah, it was twice.
One and twice.
No, it was one.
No,
it was once in a house. It was once in a house.